Z Trades here. Please make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be having a lot more videos like this out, going over the indicators that are inside of TOS and custom ones that we offer at Z Trades that will automatically chart for you. But I'm going to share the link to this simple moving average in the description to the video, and I'm going to teach you how to edit it to different time frames, to edit to different edit at different days as well. So I've copied this from TD Ameritrade and I've reposted it in here, repasted it so that you can edit it to your liking. Now I'm not using, a lot of noobs like to use golden crosses and death crosses as alerts or an indication to enter a trade. I don't use it like that at all. It's simply support and resistance. That's it. I know you noobs are all on MACD, RSI, and crummy Bollinger Bands, but I'm a little bit more advanced here and what I like to use. Not saying this is advanced. This is as simple as it gets. But if you'd like to edit it, you can simply, click here, Studies, Edit Studies, right-click, Edit Sources, change it to whatever you'd like. You could change it to 50. Whoops, that's 500. You could change it to 50. Hit apply. Right? And you can see, look at the 50 there. I mean, look how well that works. Tesla could not break it. We were bare until we did break it, and we broke out of that massive wedge there, and we pushed up to the upside. I had drawn these and was looking at Tesla. Ignore these lines anyways. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. Let me go ahead and change this. I mean, the 50-day is amazing, but we can change this. We're on a 4-hour time frame. If I'm looking at long-term charting here, I definitely want to be on the 100 as well, and the 50. Keep in mind, you could copy this code simply like this and make a second one if you wanted, right? Copy, create. You want to erase that plot data, right? And I could do a 50 if I wanted. And I could have 2 if I wanted. I'm not going to do that though, but especially for this video, we can get more advanced. We can get more advanced in other videos I'm going to do in the future. This is just going to be simply for newbies, but here's what I like to use it for. I mean, look at the rejection there. When we're below it, you obviously know we're bear. We're not ready for calls and we're heading down until we're above it. Unless it's above it, I don't really care what it does, especially on a 4-hour. But take a look at this. How many times did we bounce here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. I mean, we were just hugging that thing. And then we can go even further down the line here. We've got a big hammer right at it as well. If that's not an indication we're going to rip market open, I mean, come on a 4-hour chart. There we go again. It's just riding it. Riding it, and then until it exploded. But you can see we're rejecting on it. Boom, 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 boom. Rejected, 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 rejected. Only when we finally broke it, I mean, we just absolutely tore. That's what I like to use the moving, especially the simple moving averages for, is support and resistance. It's a form of support and resistance. Isn't really. I mean, look at the rejection here. I mean, that's an indication for puts right there. That would have been great. But I'm going to post the link to this script in the description. So if you want, you copy it. You're going to hit setup, right? Open shared item. Not right click and paste, but Control V. Then hit preview. Then hit rename. Rename it to something. And then when you want to pull it up, click here. You're going to go to Studies. Edit Studies. Search for the name that you saved it as, right? Okay. And you're going to simply hit apply and it'll show up. Like, comment, and subscribe, and you can also join our Discord. The link to our Discord is in the description. And we'll see you in there. And also, remember to subscribe because we're going to be having Lots of more in-depth videos getting into some really, really advanced stuff, and I can even show you how to code your own TD Ameritrade scripts, which it's actually quite simple. But we'll go into that in videos in the future.